Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Redmi runs a MIUI build that supports split screen and that both apps allow multi-window. Once ready, open the first app you want visible. Then access recent apps with a gesture or button and long press the app's title bar or icon. Choose split screen to dock that app to the top or left. This step creates the first pane and tells the system you want simultaneous multitasking. Once the first pane is fixed, pick the second app from recent apps, the home screen, or your app drawer to fill the other pane. You can drag the black divider to resize windows so one app is larger. This helps when one task needs more focus. Make sure to use the swap control if you want to flip which app is primary. Also, opening links or files from one pane into the other can streamline your workflow, so try that to learn behavior. To finish, either drag the divider all the way to one edge to close a pane or tap the close control. That returns you to a single app view. Once done, make sure to save an app pair if your Redmi offers that shortcut to open both apps together later. If split screen won't engage, restart the phone, update MIUI, or verify the specific app's multi-window permissions. These steps fix most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.